4.5 slope-intercept form. Here you have y equals mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form. What is m? This is the slope. What is b? This is the y-intercept. So, what does it mean, the y-intercept? It is the part that's cut from the y-axis. This is the y-axis. And I have my line. And I want to know from this y-axis what is cut. Look, they are intersecting at -2. So we can say that the y-intercept is equal -2. What about the slope? We have a graph. So rise over run, or change in y over change in x. Let's pick any 2 points. For example, this point and the second one. I want to get the slope rise over run, going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So change in y is 11. I went up, so it's positive. Going to the right until I find my point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the slope is 11 over 14. Now, can I write my equation? Yes. Y equals mx. What is m? 11 over 14. X. Y equals mx plus b. What is b? b is -2. So this is my equation. Here, he is asking in question 1, identify the slope and the y-intercept of the graph of each equation. We agreed that the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. So the question now is, here is the coefficient of x, which is the m. Here is the y-intercept, which is the b. So the slope is 3 over 8. M equals 3 over 8. Y-intercept, which is b, equals -9. Again, here, where is the coefficient of x? -4. So the m, which is the slope, is -4. What about the y-intercept? The constant here is 7. So b, which is the y-intercept, is 7. Think of 3 and 4 and let me know if you need any help. Question 2. Write the equation of a line. Now, you are given the slope and you are given the y-intercept and you are asked to get the equation. Again, y equals mx plus b. Where is m? It is the slope. Where is b? It is the y-intercept. So the equation is y equals m, which is -4, x plus b. What is b? It is 4, and that's it. Y equals, the slope is m3x plus b, the y-intercept, 12. The others are also the same. Question 3. Write an equation in slope-intercept form from the graphs shown. I need the slope, I need the y-intercept to put it in the equation. Y equals mx plus b. Again, let's pick any 2 clear points. For example, this is a clear point. Is this clear point? No, it is clear on the y, but on x it's not clear. So another clear point, here it is. So now I have 2 points. Here they are. I want to get the slope, which is rise over run. Top. I will start from here. Rise, going up, how many steps? Count with me, 1, 2, 3. So I went up 3 steps. And then I will go to the left, how many steps?
1 step.
So 3 over -1. So the slope is 3 over -1, which is
3.
-3. What about the b? The b is the part that is cut from the y-axis. So how many parts are cut from the y-axis? 1, 2. Look, here the point of cutting the line with the y-axis at 1, 2. صح? So the b is equal 2. So let's write the equation. Y equals, what is m? Negative 3. X, b is 2, so plus 2. So again here, I want to get the m, I want to get the y-intercept, and my equation is y equals mx plus b. Let's solve together. The easiest thing is the m. This line is cutting the y-axis at, take care, this is 0, -1, -2. Again, the y-intercept is -2. What about the slope? Let's pick two clear points. This is a clear point, and this one is also a clear point. Go from this one, rise over run. Now, from this point, for example, let's go rise. I went up 1 step, so the rise is 1. Over the run, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 over 4. What is this? This is the slope. So my equation now is y equals m is equal 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 x plus, no, this is -2. So I will write -2 because the b is -2. What about this question? Again, m, y-intercept, m is slope, y-intercept, y equals mx plus b. Together, let's get the easiest thing first. B, the y-intercept. Where is it? Where is the line cutting the y-axis at? 1, 2, 3. So b equals 3. This line, I want to get two clear points. For example, this point is clear. It's easy to read. And also another point that's easy to read is there's 1. Go rise over run. Rise 1 step up, so 1 over. How many steps to the left? 1, 2, 3. So I went left 3 steps, so it's 1 over -3. So now the equation is like this: y equals 1 over -3, or -1 over 3, x plus b, which is 3. Word problems. At 1:40 p.m., the temperature is 99 degrees Fahrenheit. For the rest of the evening, the temperature drops an average of 4 degrees per hour. So again, where did it start? The temperature is starting at 99 degrees Fahrenheit, which we call the initial value. We call it the initial value. So we can't say, I want to get m, I want to get b. He's asking at the end, you want to get the equation of the slope-intercept form. So I want to get m, I want to get b, y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept is also the initial value, so this is 99. M is, he's saying 4 Fahrenheit per hour, but take care, he's saying drops, so it is negative. So -4 Fahrenheit per hour, which is 4 over 1, which is -4. So now, how can I represent it? The x is the number of hours, the y is the temperature, so y over x. Y is the Fahrenheit, hour is the 1, so this is why I put 4 over 1. So y equals m is -4, x plus b, which is 99. So y equals -4x plus 99. Membership for a robotics club. Robotics club is $15 per month. So this is the membership, $15 per month, plus a one-time registration fee of $35. So you can figure out this. The 35 is the initial value. So if you have m, if you have b, which is the y-intercept, m is the slope, and the equation y equals mx plus b, the initial value here is 35. What about the m, or the slope? $15 per month. So this is 15 over 1, or it is equal to 15. Why did they say 15 over 1, not 1 over 15? Because the y is the cost. So I should start with the cost, which is 15, over the number of months, which is x. X is always in the denominator. So 15 over 1 is 15. The equation now is y equals 15x because m is 15 plus b, which is 35. In the table it might be a little bit different, but it's also very easy. We can figure out, I want you to understand it. Where's the initial value? Look, whenever I have x and y, this is x and this is y, and let's say that this is our number line. Sorry, this is our line or straight line. So this point here is the y-intercept or the b. So y is b. What about the x? X is 0. So at x equals 0, y is 2. So we can call this the initial value. In the second table, where is this initial value? Also at x is 0. Look, at x is 0, this is my initial value. So if you want to get m, b, and your equation, which is y equals mx plus b, what is m? It is, so let's remember here, what is the rule for the slope? M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here, let's start with the y. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 18 minus 10. We started with 18, correct? So I must also start with negative 2 over negative 2 minus negative 1. Take care. Minus negative 1 equals 18 minus 10, 8. Negative and negative, they switch to be positive. Negative and negative here switch to be positive. So it is negative 2 plus 1. So 8 over negative 1, which is equal to negative 8. What about the initial value for the y? Is 2, which is the y-intercept. So now y equals m, which is negative 8x, plus b, which is 2. The last question we have in our video is, the table shows the number of bracelets Ella makes after learning to make the first one. Write an equation in the slope-intercept form that represents the data in the table. So I need m, I need the slope, I need the y-intercept, and my equation again is y equals mx plus b. The easiest part, what is the initial value or the y-intercept? At x equals 0, I can get my y-intercept or the initial value of the number of bracelets, which is 12. Sorry, it's 1, which is 1. So what about the m? Again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's say this is y2, x2, y1, x1. So y2 minus y1, 15 minus 1 over x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0. Mr. Why did you start with 2 not 0? Because I started with 15. So 15 minus 1 over 2 minus 0. 15 minus 1, 14 over 2, which is 7. So now y equals 7x plus b, which is the 1. So this is my equation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you need any help. This is Mr. Mahmoud. Have a nice time and bye bye.